On top inside Edo today, Edo State Government with join body of IDH Sustainable Trade Initiative and Netherlands don ready Tanda oil palm smallholder farmer matter well for Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say state government don finish all the plans wey dem get to fit launch Edo oil palm initiative as the state go donate 51,000 hectares of land to fit start the program. He tok this one for the one-day workshop wey dem do for oil palm farmers for the state, wey dem give name growing the oil palm sector in Edo, and at the office of Edo State Investment Promotion Office (ESIPO) and Sustainable Trade Initiative for stakeholders in the oil palm sector for Edo State na im organize am. Senior Special Assistant to Governor Obaseki on top agriculture Matta Cari na im come represent Governor Obaseki for the stakeholders workshop. He tok say state government don ready well to fit support oil palm business people for the state as dem don put 51,000 hectares of land for ground make e for catapult the production well. He tok say Edo State government get plan very well to see say dem change the way oil sector matter be for Naija, as e be say the growth wey Edo State government wan do na to carry deve matter waka well on top agriculture matter for the state, as ogbonge history don show say Edo State government na im be the number one on top the matter wey concern oil palm for Naija. Edo State government come yarn am say oil palm money e be big pass crude oil money for the world, and this one show say oil palm na im be the ogbonge way wey any country suppose chook eye put on top how the economy deve go waka far and how money go brekete put for the state and for the country.
Edo State government have resolved to pursue head-on the oil palm initiative. And of course, as you may be following the trend, His Excellency has to share the top of the central bank finally. By next week, we are going to have our launching of this oil palm concept. All things being equal. We have done our designs, which include all adjustments today. Talk about the big player, the medium, and the small players. Just to anchor it, that it's not by accident that Edo is again the driver today in the modern phase of the oil palm. I was in Abuja with His Excellency, the CBN initiative. And the idea was that oil palm must be our driver. In Indonesia, a country of about 263 million people, their major income is in oil palm. Our country is less than that country. Today, globally, oil palm price is far, far above the crude oil we all struggle with into our superstars. That is why His Excellency said his heart gladdens that everything is not happening in this system. The CBN have told us that they are interested in developing the oil palm. As you may be aware, it's now one of the items, and the cardinal item CBN wants to drive in Nigeria.
Senior Program Manager for Sustainable Trade Initiative, Dr. Chris Okafor, he talks a national initiative for sustainable and climate-smart oil palm smallholder, NISCOPS, na national program wey be say na Dutch government na im support am well. He talks say they don't do the program for 6 states, they don't do am for Enugu, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Kogi, Imo, and Edo. And he talks say them they work with Edo State government and other states them to fit see how them go take change oil palm sector matter for the state. As it be say them they shook eye for small older farmers, and this one are the farmers will be say they're not too big where. As it be say now these people them be 80% of people where they do oil palm business for Nigeria. It talks of the program now how them go take say production matter waka well, and this one I make them talk say them go carry small holders farmers them join body on top this program. As it be say their plan now to join state government, take carry economy and investment waka far for Edo State.
To be a stakeholder in oil palm means you are either benefiting from oil palm or you are losing because of oil palm. So we are here to tell you this initiative that is coming to Edo State. And now is for you to know what this program is, what it means in the light of what the Edo State government is also doing. So we are here to introduce to you this project we think will add value to what the government is doing in the state. We are not here to replace, no. We are not here to duplicate, no. But when we finish it, we are going to be at this meeting. I want to also be very clear. At this meeting, or this first session of this program, is to let you know what we intend to do to contribute.
Oga Patapata for Edo State Investment Promotion Office, Kevin Uwaibi, he talk say the plan wey dem get na to see how each sector go fit grow for Edo State. As e be say Governor Obaseki get mind gidigba well, say Edo State e get ogbonge thing on top oil palm matter, and this one go help dem very well for the state. As e yarn am say Edo State government don already begin the work on top how oil palm matter go fit waka well for the state. As this one dey part of the things wey go carry investment matter boku for Edo.
You know, say Edo State don't forget your own plan where we dey look since, where we dey work with different partners. Now IDH now one of our partners now, and we dey go dey look at now say the reason for this meeting is to talk to the main stakeholder, as they call am, for the oil palm, and know where their challenges dey, and they want add value to wetin government don dey do already. Then don't talk say they don't want to duplicate, neither they want change anything, but they just want add value. So for example, stakeholders maybe they do seedlings, they say they want seedling, they will say how they will take support for seedling. Those who they say they want finance, for English we call de-risking of investment. They will say how they will take talk to the bank, say make them de-risk them. So them they do this thing because then don't say Edo State government serious well for this oil palm matter. So then one just come add value to what Edo State they do. One of the key things from this matter now say they say they know us well for oil palm. Say can we come up with the standardization of oil palm in the state too? At the same time, can we come up with the branding? Where we say when anywhere where you see Edo palm, no we call it Edo oil palm. Anywhere where you see them for anywhere in the world, you will say no, say this is not Edo oil palm. And most of the stakeholders where they come don't agree for that matter where we say Edo State, yes, we don't like which way we say we will get our own goods from here, where they go other place of the world, where people go see and say, now Edo State now come from the way they see our arts and culture, and the same way we wanted to do some of this product too. So they also they need to happy help. Now you know whether they call nothing goes for nothing. People wonder say why IDH will come from away from Netherlands because they say they won't go there or do anything with Edo State or add value rather. Now say they don't look and do say if they feel do this matter, say more businesses they go in terms of the oil palm business for here. Our people go day here more for here, and you know our migration issue. Say once they day here, they go they do business. So when they want travel, they'll just travel freely like vacation. Not that they go travel, say they want to go the pass sea, which Mr. Governor don't try to tell everybody say that illegal movement is not too good because our children and our brothers sisters that they get involved, I know they're good for them. So we dey hope say this thing now step by step, say we keep doing well and it go better for everybody.
You want to get good quality oil based on industry standard, which is mostly free fatty acids. You would need to harvest your bunches at the right time. You get it and then you process the crop within 24 hours, maximum 48 hours. It's also very key. If you wait for 3-4 days the way we do it, you put them there, you put water and then put polythene on them or what was cellophane, and then leave it there, then we later shake it, and then after that we try to pound it or something. Forget it, you will not get the quality we want.
Our expectations from IDH is one, across the farmers in Edo State, particularly members of OGA, is one, expansion, maybe loan or whichever way you help our farmers to expand their existing farms and to upgrade our mills.
I stand here mostly to defend the fact that the farmer is the most important stakeholder in this exercise. How do I mean it? A government today, not only the Edo State government, but the federal government, and so many other governments of the world, they are now talking about PPP, public-private partnership. In that public-private partnership, the private person, which is the farmer in this case, is the numero uno, the more important. If we ski into the idea that the farmer is most important, not that government, they will. Government exists because of the farmers. Government that must earn its living must be focused on the welfare of the citizen, income, point of view, sustainable livelihoods.
next thing we're going to do is to look at what are we going to do together, to achieve our goal. Our goal is to make sure they improve their production and have more money for their pockets. So that's our next step, is to do the planning together with them and then present the opportunities for them to take advantage of. So now with the just the top, how can they see this as something that will help them to improve their oil palm production, make more money for their pockets.
Some of them will be into plantation, the farmers, they talk say their challenge most times now funding, how they go fit get the funds to take get the right seedlings and the rest of it. Those way they look at to get milk, some they look at how to fabricate good milk, wey be say their FFB, which is their fresh food bunches, they'll fit they able to get a lot of oil from that. So now IDH will go back, review this report and see how they will fit help every farmer to actualize their dream.
The thing we do important is say we have everything it takes to support IDH for their program. All right, but principally from everything I have heard, we are very important in the area of input supply.
Okay.
Good planting materials that are very adaptable to our natural environment. Very, very good materials that will give our farmer plenty money. Whether they get about 1/3 kind of oil, they can be getting almost about 6 to 7, which is a big improvement for money for pockets.
Like IDH said a while ago, they can either give us grants or maybe soft loan. The farmers can be able to utilize to expand their farms or to buy machineries for their farms.
No be every government they do all this kind of thing. And for us now, when Governor go Cari and go give for grassroots, we really appreciate that. And we like the program. Our prayer is to make it continue like this, but they do one. Who never hear, make it hear. Who never see, make it go see.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo state government will join body of IDH Sustainable Trade Initiative and Netherlands them don Redi Tanda oil palm smallholders farmer matter well for Edo state. And this one now on top how oil palm production go fit catapult well for Edo state as e go join body for the investment and business matter wey Governor Obaseki administration get for the state. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge and clear informate so na T Live Media na in the knack am dey give una on top inside Edo today.